of my making slime and doing my nighttime routine. Toca Boca to be continued. Let's go. Okay, we just made your other slimes. Now what should we do? I don't know. Wait, what should we do with this tray? Oh, let's go put it in your kitchen. Good idea. I was planning on moving in with you because you have like no company like at all. Hey, that would be a great idea. Since we're both like 30, can we like get like adopt a child? Sure. But I really hope it has like a bit of red hair. Same. With a bit of brown. Well, blue. I think that would be a pretty cool combo. Same. That's why I made it up. Hey, you didn't make it up. I think this would look good in the fridge. Unless it can't even fit in there. Yep, can't fit in there. We're gonna have to make this house bigger or buy a new house. Let's go see if there's any other big houses. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go to this one in town. Okay, let's check out this house. There should be a person here. Okay, let's go. Oh, hey, are you selling this house? Yes. Are you looking for 2 bedrooms? We have 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. I don't know if we have a bathroom actually. Oh, yes. I will take you to kitchen. We have empty fridge. We had this big kitchen. We can hold lots of stuff. That's pretty big. That would be good for like 2 kids and us. Close the fridge. Follow me. This kid's bedroom. You may switch out bed if it's too big or small. We should switch that bed out for a kid. Yeah. Parents' bedroom. We have closet with secret beds. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I agree. And we have shelves that can hold stuff. Like this. Yes. And I think it holds the hat, yes. And it holds your phones. And we have a side table right here. And we have a 2-person bed. That's good. We have one bathtub. And then we have like all supplies. Okay, that's good. And then we have this bedroom. You may make it the parents' bedroom. I do not care. Wow. Let's check the other house and make sure that house is a bit better. Okay, bye. Come back if you want to buy. I'm saving it for you. I can't wait for my company to be complete. I have so many crumpets now. Hi, we would like to buy this house. Why is there stuff in this house? Why do you think this is a buying place? Because it just said for sale. Oh yeah, I already bought this house and I'm making it a store now. So that's why they still have the for sale sign up. At the bottom in the very tiny writing, it actually says sold. So you might just want to go. I guess we'll buy that other house. But that old man will have to clean everything so he doesn't get his germs. I guess let's go back. We'd like to buy this house. Okay, bye. Don't even have to pay. He is actually pretty nice. I take that back. Yeah, he is. Let's just decorate. I think we should take this bed out of here, and this should be the parents' bedroom. So let's just throw out this stuff. Grab this side bed. grab the side table. I don't want it to look like that other room because that room kind of looked a bit crappy. So, since we're gonna have to do some work, we have our bed. We need a closet, a big closet. Let's have this like little rack here. I'm gonna put this here for like clothes. Put that there. And then a rug. I think a chair would look good. That's good. Let's move on to the other room. This can be like an older kid's bedroom. Going to here. I could move this. We could move this in here. Nope, do not throw that away because that chair is beautiful and I love it. And then this thing is just kind of like ugly in the kids' bedroom, so I'll give them a like that chair. A cute little fish. Let's just do this really fast. We're finally done with the houses. Oh my god, I love this bedroom. Our older daughter's gonna love it. I know, and I'm not even into girl stuff. I think she's gonna love all the fake food we bought her. She even has her little kitchen set. So she can be like us and when she grows up. This used to be mine, but I decided to move it into this house. Let's go back to the old house and then put it up for sale. Well, grab our stuff and then put it up to sale. Yeah. Let's go. It's not that far away from our old house. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Okay, we're probably gonna need this tray. Yeah. Let's go grab some boxes from in your room. I think there's a couple behind you. Well, I found three suitcases. I'll get packing my stuff and some of your stuff that I let you have. Okay. I'll pack some of this stuff. We'll try. Okay, I'll put my phone down, open up my suitcase. Of course, I need to put my slime. Just some of my favorite slimes, because I don't want to pack all of them. Okay, that's enough. Especially, I definitely need to pack my little bunny outfit. That won't even, will that work? No, not at all. I'll put that right there. I'll put this in. Ooh, my favorite outfit. This outfit. I'll just wear this on the way there. I need to pack a lot of my stuff because I thought we were just going on like a little vacation for a sec. So I'm gonna pack everything. Even my slime stuff. Well, maybe not my slime stuff, but I'll definitely
pack my coffee stuff. Okay, that's my first suitcase that I filled up. I mean, I gotta be able to close my suitcase. Let's open this suitcase. Oh yeah, they already said they had this stuff, but I'll just bring my brush. I'll bring this in case, and we need another toothbrush anyways, and I always run out of toothpaste. This is like my second bottle. Some cleaner, and that's my stuff. He's gonna have to go grab his stuff from his hotel, but I'll give him this suitcase. Wait, is this back blue? You're gonna have to go to your apartment to grab your stuff. Okay. Could I leave my phone here? Yeah, sure. Bye, see you in a few. See ya. Part 4 coming.